Hello there, pumpkin friends. It's Chad from Colorado Giants. Today is July the 9th. It's time for your weekly update, so stay tuned. Thanks for suffering through that annoyingly long intro. If you've made it this far, consider subscribing to the channel. Comment below if you have a giant pumpkin question, and hit the thumbs up and all that stuff. That'd be swell. If not, I promise you ain't gonna hurt my feelings. It's gonna be a real quick one this week. I don't have a whole lot to talk about. And I'm tired. Look at these bags and these eyes. Kids killing me. Slowly, but I love them so much. Baby mom is doing very well. We went to the doctor today. Baby's due at the end of the month. Blood pressure's good. Both of our other two kids came early because of high blood pressure. So the doctor said blood pressure was up a little bit, but not enough to have the baby today. So we'll try again next Tuesday. But all in all, it's going good. Let's do a quick run around of the plants / pumpkins, and we'll talk about them real quick like. Here we go, real quick like. This is the 1783 new crossed with the 2006 Wolf. The plant is looking awesome. The pumpkin is looking awesome, nice and orange. I pretty much have terminated. Those two are still growing, and then these three tertiaries have like one or two leaves, and then this plant is fully terminated in its grow area, and it's ready to rock and roll. Today is, crumbs, I just looked. Today is day 28 for this one, and I forget the exact measurement, but we're going to say it's like right at about 350 pounds. It's doing about 30 pounds, it was doing over 30 pounds per day. I did measure yesterday real quick, so, you know, my measurement could be off because it was just real fast because I wanted to see perhaps what it was doing in 24 hours. So, I'm quite happy with those numbers. The color on this pumpkin is phenomenal. The shape is looking really nice. I put some more sand on it, got the time-lapse camera on it, so hopefully we're getting some good footage. All in all, looks really good. I have nothing to be upset about. 1931 Turner plant. The plant looks really good. I have just a little bit more space to fill in / weed / pick up the piles of vines. But I'll do it. Don't worry, I'll get to it. I know, Mom. The plant's looking really, really good. This one has more weed pressure than this one. You know, such is life. The pumpkin itself, man, hold on one second. All right, the pumpkin itself is 177 pounds, and it's 22 days old. Also got a time-lapse camera going on this one. This pumpkin is doing about 30 pounds per day. So this pumpkin was bigger than this pumpkin at day 20. So these are what? Today's 2, so it's simple math. Come on, Chad, 6 days behind this one, and this one's already doing 30 pounds. And if that one just started doing 30 pounds, I think. So that's good. That's, you know, faring well for this one. This pumpkin has a longer shape. The color should be really orange, and all in all, it's looking really good. I like it a lot. Like I said, just a little bit more vine growth, just this area. Clean up my mess, pull a little bit of weeds, and it's looking real good. And last, we have the 2006 Wolf plant and pumpkin, and this one, I just don't know. This one is 16 days old, and it's probably the size of, I don't know, a basketball. Probably basketball sized. So it's got, what, 4 days left till day 20, and I don't even know if it'll be on the chart. So I don't have a whole lot of hope for this one to be anything spectacular. I need to get this patch of weeds right here. I did the front half of the plant. So, you know, it looks really good. It's basically all filled in, but the pumpkin does not have the vigor as the other ones, and I do have some backup pumpkins pollinated on this one that are in here. Let's see if I can super zoom in. There's like 2 of them right next to one another right there. So, maybe if I cut those off, that would help. I don't know. I might just let all 3 of them go and see what kind of fun we could have with this pumpkin, because if this is not going to do anything like giant, like I think that these 2 could potentially do, then I don't know. It could be fun to have just a handful of maybe like 500-pound pumpkins or something, which I think that's definitely capable of. Maybe even more, but do I think that'll be a 2,000-pounder size of basketball on day 16? I don't think so. So, I don't know. This one, we'll play this one by ear, see how it goes. The plant itself, the plant looks real good. You can tell once I set the pumpkins, there's even a couple smaller ones over there, the leaves are getting smaller. So, I mean, we're definitely soaking up a lot of nutrients into the fruit as told by the leaf size. But I would like to see more. I'm not gonna lie, a little disappointed, but I don't know. We'll see how it shakes out. Staying optimistic. You never know. So, other than that, what else do we have go on this week? Not a lot. I do need to trim this stump. I've trimmed all the other stumps except this one. What I mean is kind of go in there, clean up any wayward vines and just kind of growth. Other than that, other than my mess that I promise I will clean up, we've had something getting in. So I threw down some sticky traps. You can see right there, digging a hole. I caught a mouse in one of my sticky traps, but that sucker dug a hole. Oops. Dug a hole right there. That's a big old, I'm assuming that's a rabbit hole. So that, that can't be any good. And it chewed up a line really bad, that water line right there. Chewed it up a bunch. So I was watering and I heard what sounded like a garden hose, and son of a gun, that thing was gushing everywhere. So hopefully those sticky traps will take care of that critter. I filled in the hole and it just dug it again. So yeah, we'll do sticky traps. If that doesn't work, then we're gonna get something bigger. But that's all I got for you. It's fun to see the pumpkins rising from the leaf canopy, and hopefully they do big things. They're on track. Knock on wood, you don't want to jinx it, but they're both bigger than the state record was at their age. That one bigger than this one, so it could be fun. Maybe we'll get something in the back, but we'll see. Hope everybody had a great week. We'll come back next week. Have a good one. Get out there and grow yourself giant pumpkins. See you guys.